What's up, YouTube? Got another video today. We are going to be doing a headlight lens restore on the W211 Mercedes. We are going to be using the Turtle Wax kit. And yeah, but first, like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. I appreciate everybody that watches. Let's dive right into it. Alright, first step, got soapy water, got a cloth, and we're just gonna clean these lights real quick. Alright, so just like that, they're pretty clean, pretty dry, and we can go ahead and continue. I'm going to do those, and then we'll continue to the next one. Alright, so I got them all clean, and give you guys a close-up so you can see here how clear it is, and then here you can see how like hazy it is. It's pretty difficult to see if you're not like right on top of it. But here you can definitely see the difference between like how silver this is and how oxidized this is. And then it's the same thing over here, very clear, very oxidized. But if I come back a little bit, they still look pretty good. Alright, so yeah, let's dive in it. First thing after we clean it, it says that we should be using masking tape here to protect the paint surfaces, so you guys definitely do that if you want to. I'm not going to do that step. Alright, so now we're going to basically compound it. Alright, and it says that if the compound takes it out, I don't need to sand it down. So let's hope that it does that, because I'd prefer not to sand the lights if I don't have to. Alright, but let's dive right into it. Yeah, it's got seal on the inside. Apologize for the noise you hear in the background. It's my neighbors. It's a pretty nice day up here, so people are taking advantage of it. Alright, I think we're good now. I think that's good enough. Being very careful to stay away from my paint, as you can see. Just working this in. Go away. Does look like it's taking stuff off already though. Alright, I'm gonna let that glaze up. Work on the other one in the meantime. That one's glazing up pretty well. Getting it applied on this one. Alright, I'm gonna give these a couple minutes just to glaze up. I'm gonna do them a couple more times with the compound, and then we'll see how they look and see if we need to continue, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I finished the compounding, and it did get a lot better. It's not perfect yet. You can still kind of see the oxidation that's there, the difference in it. They are a lot clearer now. Same thing, when you get right up on it, you can see that oxidation. So I'm gonna continue, and basically the next process here is we have this spray lubricant. We're gonna spray on the lights. We have this pads 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna continue to go through them. Then we have the base coat wipe, and then we have the lens sealing wipe. So we're gonna go through all of this. Don't open these up until you're completely done with all the headlights, because they will dry out and go bad very quickly. So you want to use this on all of them and then come back to this. Alright, so I'm going to do this part and then we'll continue. Alright YouTube, we finished. Go ahead and sanding them down. As you can see, they're a lot more hazy now. So the next step is to go back to this guy here, the lens clarifying compound, and we're going to rub them out until they're clear. Alright, so I'm going to do that and then we'll dive right back in. Alright, we got them all compounded, polished up. They look good, pretty much as clear as I'm going to be able to get them. Got a lot of that oxidation off here. You can still see some of these fine scratches, but it's pretty much as good as it's going to get. Here, down here though, where the light pattern comes out, is clean. These in the middle came out great. This guy too, this side came out really well too. There's such a big difference here in the color before, and looks good. Alright, so we're gonna do the last part. Let me set up and we'll get the wipes added on. Very strong odor to it. Probably not good for your skin, which is why they tell you to use the glove. Alright, it says as soon as this dries, I need to put the other one on it. Looks like it's almost dry, not quite yet. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. All right, YouTube, we got them sealed up. They're completely done. I think they look way better than what they did before. Let's turn the lights on. See how they look with the lights on. Let's take a look. I think they look pretty nice. The LEDs in it right now. Yeah, those came out good. Very clear, easy to see again. And again, this only costs like $10. Really makes the whole front of the car look so much better. Cool. So yeah, if you like this, if this helped you, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel. Take a look through the channel. We got a whole bunch of videos here on the W211 Mercedes, Harley Davidson, a whole bunch of stuff, computer stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking the video. Leave a comment below. Follow me on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. Y'all have a great day and thanks for watching.